20-question Esthetician Practice Written Test 2. Have paper and pen ready to quiz yourself. Glycation, an intrinsic part of the aging process, is caused by what? A. Damaged elastin. B. Dehydration. C. Rise in blood sugar. D. Reduction of sebum. Vascular lesions are also known as blank lesions. A. Secondary. B. Primary. C. Quaternary. D. Tertiary. Milia are most common in blank skin types. A. Dry. B. Oily. C. Combination. D. All. Combination skin can be both blank at the same time. A. Dry and sensitive. B. Sensitive and oily. C. Dry and normal. D. Oily and dry. What may make the skin too sensitive for facials or waxing? A. Diabetes. B. Oral steroids. C. Epilepsy. D. Pacemakers. What are carbomers used for? A. To dissolve other ingredients. B. To reduce friction on the skin. C. To attract water. D. To thicken creams. What type of product dissolves makeup, oil, and dirt? A. Toners. B. Exfoliants. C. Cleansers. D. Serums. Approximately how far should the facial steamer be when steaming the skin? A. 48 inches. B. 36 inches. C. 18 inches. D. 6 inches. Using deep pressure on the face, blank. A. can weaken elastin fibers. B. Can induce collagen growth. C. Is common practice among estheticians. D. Prevents premature aging. Tapotement is also called blank. A. Vibration. B. Percussion. C. Chucking. D. Dr. Jacket movement. Hair growth is created by the activity of cells in the A. Stratum corneum, B. Basal layer, C. Pores, D. Dermis. What is the resting stage of hair growth? A. Anagen, B. Catagen, C. Telogen, D. Depilogen. The presence of pus is a sign of a blank infection. A. Bacterial, B. Parasitic, C. Viral, D. Biofilm. Effective sterilization typically requires the use of blank. A. Soap and water, B. UV light unit, C. Heat lamp, D. Autoclave. What does a pH below 7 indicate? A. Safe solution, B. An alkaline solution, C. An acidic solution, D. A neutral solution. This muscle closes the eyes. A. Corrugator, B. Orbicularis oculi, C. Procerus, D. Epicranial aponeurosis. Which muscle causes wrinkles in the forehead? A. Frontalis, B. Orbicularis oculi, C. Procerus, D. Epicranial aponeurosis. What is telangiectasia? A. Capillary wall dilation, B. follicle damage, C. Aging, D. Poor nutrition. What is the term for a brown or wine-colored discoloration? A. Win, B. Wheal, C. Tan, D. Stain. What is hypertrophy? A. Abnormal growth, B. Normal growth, C. Abnormal perspiration, D. Normal perspiration. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you have found these videos helpful. Good luck on your test.